Einstein admired Bohr, and Bohr admired Einstein. And you'll recall that Einstein felt that reality exists in effect out there, something independent of us. And the position of Bohr was rather this, that reality is only a word, and we have to learn what the right way is to use that word. In Einstein's talk that he gave before my relativity seminar, the last talk that he ever gave in his life, in it he spoke about relativity and what it meant to him, how he had come to it. But then he went on to speak of the quantum physics. And there he spoke of his discomfort with the idea that the choice by the observer or the observing equipment has anything to do with the matter. He put it this way as he paced up and down before the black table. If a person, such as a mouse, looks at the universe, does that change the state of the universe? His vivid way to make it seem preposterous. As Bohr's position could be summarized today, no elementary quantum phenomenon is a phenomenon until it has been brought to a close by an irreversible act of amplification, like the triggering of a Geiger counter, or the click of a photodetector, or the blackening of a grain of photographic emulsion. Until that happens, this phenomenon to be is not yet a phenomenon. It's like a great smoky dragon. It has no position in space, no location in time. You know only the tail, where the quantum or the photon or the electron or whatever you're dealing with entered the equipment. But until the dragon has bit with its teeth one counter or the other, you have no right to speak of where it is or what it's doing. It's the strangest thing in this strange world, this elementary quantum phenomenon of Niels Bohr. And yet, of all the things we've learned, it is the central point and lesson of 20th century physics. So that the tale that gave rise to that dragon, that great smoky dragon, gave us only a smoky dragon. It did not become a definite phenomenon until at the end we, by our choice of observing device, made it bite equipment, give us a phenomenon, produce a count, or blacken a grain of emulsion. So in this sense, we have become participators in the construction of the universe. We have no right to say that the past exists independent of the act of observation. The past exists only insofar as it's present in the records of the here and the now.